I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to add your bank account to Affirm for refinancing, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Affirm account. Open the Affirm app or website and log in using your credentials. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage your settings. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once you're in your account, look for the payment methods section. This is where you can add or edit your bank information. Step 3. Select Add Bank Account. Click on the option to add bank account. You'll be prompted to enter your bank details, including your account number and routing number. Step 4. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank details, Affirm will usually require you to verify your account. This may involve confirming small deposits made by Affirm into your bank account. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Once your bank account is verified, make sure to save your changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your bank has been successfully added. Remember, if you don't see the verification deposits after a couple of days, double check that you entered your bank details correctly. Happy refinancing!